Cypriot judge sentenced Israeli businessman Shimon Eichert to 5 years in prison for developing land in the Turkish-controlled north of Cyprus that is still legally owned by Greek Cypriots displaced in 1974. He pleaded guilty to 40 charges related to unlawful development and sale of property that did not belong to him. His defence said he was acting as support for his son, who oversaw the companies involved, and that his health should be considered. The court recognised a crime of continuation, though. Displacement did not end in 1974. It continues wherever the ownership of that land is overridden. A prison sentence made that plain. This was the moment the old assumptions stopped working, therefore. For years, Cypriots raising concerns about the scale and nature of Israeli property purchases on the island have been dismissed. They were told it was paranoia, it was exaggeration, it was nationalist panic. They were told that property is just property, that the housing market is simply a market, and that foreign capital is a sign of economic confidence. They were told they were imagining these things. There was no threat here. And then a developer gets convicted for doing exactly what they warned would happen. But the conviction did not create the problem, it simply exposed it. Cyprus is a divided island, and that division is not symbolic, it is territorial, it's enforceable, and it's also very much unresolved. Greek Cypriots displaced in 1974 retain legal ownership of land in the north under international law. They cannot return to it. The land is theirs by title, memory, and legal right. It is denied to them in practice. This creates a situation where land exists in a suspended state, owned but inaccessible. It's not abandoned, it's simply withheld. Any development or sale of that land without the consent of the owner is not a transaction, it's the ongoing reality of the displacement. Something Israel knows a lot about inflicting. They've been doing it in Palestine for decades, after all.